slipping, you catch me, I'm buying a deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Hey, I'm all in the metaverse. I'm digital travel the universe. I look at the price and the dripping is going up. Send the whole crew alert. Crypto, we go berserk. You witness a certified bull run. 60 to 70, 80 to 90, and 30 days we getting full service. Check out my stash. I don't do cash, only do Metamask. Went to the Hamptons, I'm up in virtual, man, and we had a blast. Look at the way that I'm dripping saucy. Check out my jewelry game is frosty. She love the way that I'm driving flossing. KingPachino bouncing. Compound interest, ain't nothing suspicious. If you ain't dripping, then you must be slipping. Ain't paying no attention. Crypto game took it to the top. Don't drip by the dip when the value drop. Blockchain boy, yeah, I made it hot. Talk crypto now when we on the block. Dip. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Buy the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Don't trip, buy the deal. Don't trip, buy the deal, buy the deal. Don't trip, buy the deal. Don't trip, buy the deal, buy the deal. You know, for sure. We on crypto. So don't trip, buy the deal, Don't trip, buy the deal, Yes, sir. Guess who's back? KingPachino, I'm back. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy, Mr. KingPachino, aka Mr. King Crypto. And welcome to the Crypto Millionaire channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop, because you know when I drop those bangers back to back. Let me put my disclaimers out there, guys. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am simply documenting my journey on the largest wealth transfer in the 21st century, baby. Let's go. You already know. Make sure, guys, if you want to work from home, get you some extra part-time money, holla at your boy out on the virtual call center, guys. We're going to get you set up where you can work from home, earn that extra income, and then you can take that extra income, guys, and put it into your investments. How would you like to be able to earn a couple extra $100 every single week and put it into your investments? Remember, investing is the key part to becoming successful, because your money will work way harder for you than you can ever work for it. All the information is below. Go to worldclassmovement.com, click on the call center tab, look at the information, fill out your application. We'll reach out to you and get you connected. Now, for all my crypto millionaires, what's up, baby? You already know. If you join your boy in the Crypto Millionaire Squad, we're gonna get you plugged into our Facebook group. As you can see, guys, we lit over here, and you can see we also have our private messenger where we cover updates and announcements and keep you plugged in with drip. So if you want to be dripping, if you want to drip, holla at your boy. We gonna get it popping. But I ain't got time to play with y'all because I got a very, very busy day. So we're gonna get right into it. Let's go. So we're going to go ahead and go check out this drip, guys, right now. For those who's watching, you know, I've been paying attention to drip. And as you can see right now, drip is minting right now. So in the minting phases, this is where you're going to probably see every time when it mints like this, guys, we see a price reduction in drip because of the minting, because more going out into the circulation. So as that happens, guys, this is times where, you know, it would be better to take a look and pay attention to the dips. Because if you're interested in buying drip, you want to buy it. You know, I say the money is made when people are afraid. It's better to buy during the dip than it is to buy during the bull run, right? So right now, drip is actually minting. As you can see, it's 415,911,000 drip that's going into supply. So it is minting more. So I'm paying attention to this, guys, because the last video was like in the 300,000 plus. Now it's 415,000. I believe there's only 1 million drip, so it's kind of interesting to see as it mints more. You know, once it gets closer to 1 million, my question is, what will drip price be once it gets to the point where it's a very limited supply and people are buying into drip? It's very interesting to see how that would work. I'm not sure, guys. I don't know if the price is going to skyrocket. I don't know if the price is going to stay the same. I'll be completely honest with you. But I'm here for it, guys. I'm hydrating, and yeah, I'm doing my thing, guys, and I'm working my way up the line, and that's what I'm doing, guys. I hope you're doing the same. If you are and you believe in drip, you let me know what you're doing. Matter of fact, are you buying drip? Are you buying dips? Are you just hydrating? Are you sitting on the sideline? What are you personally doing? But we're gonna dive into this thing and see what the numbers look like. So right now, drip right now is at $5.04. I know that it went below $5, so I know that it was somewhere in the 490s or so. So people could have bought in. Let me know where you bought in at the dip. I haven't bought the dip. Not this dip, but I know I bought it into like the sixes. I've been buying some of these dips to accumulate more of the asset. I will be buying a little bit more dip, and that's the way, I do it, right? I like to manage my risk. Manage your risk. See, I'm gonna allocate a certain amount of money, every 2 weeks or so, just to kind of add to my bag, right? And that's how I manage my risk. And I also pay attention to the dips too, as well too, and that kind of determines a little bit, as well, when I decide to reinvest in drip. Is when I see the coins are being minting and it's minting, I'll sit back and watch it for a while, see how long it's gonna mint, and then I'll try to make, the right entry point. So right now, by me looking and seeing, okay, 415,000. Okay, boom. Let me see if drip is going to be minting more, or if it's going to start, people are going to be buying the bag. So it's very important to watch that. So we'll watch this over the course of the time and see, does it go to 417, 418, 19, 420,000, or, or does it start to retract, right? Because people will going to also be scooping up some of this drip at a lower price. So let's go check this out and see where I'm at with the faucet. Okay. So I'm at 3,000 plus in the faucet, $30 a day. So I'm still somewhere around. I'm at about $900 a month right now, based on where it's at. 598.7 drip in the deposit, guys. Working my way up, $177.81. Let me show you what this looks like, guys. Let me show you what this looks like right now. Let me copy this, right? Let me go and slide on over to my calculator real quick, right? I'm going to be compounding this. Let's multiply this times 365%. We get $649. $649 minus $177. Guys, $472 will be made in my max deposit today that you're going to be witnessing. Now, remember, guys, it's very, very important to know, when you see drip going up or going down in value, understand that the faucet is paying you 365%. So technically, the only way you would come out losing in a year is if drip value decreases 365%. Think about it. So whatever, let's say you buy drip today, right, at $5. A year, they're going to pay you 1% of whatever you invest, up to 365%, 1% per day. The only way in 1 year that you would lose, be in the negative, is if drip decreases 365% in value. See? So I want you to think about that. So when you see a 10% decrease, 15% decrease, and you might say, man, well, I'm losing a little bit of value, you have to factor in that compound interest, right? Einstein said it best. It's the eighth wonder of the world. People who understand it earn from it, and those who don't, they pay it. So, you want to pay attention and make the decision that's best for you and your family. But check this out. We're going to go ahead and get it popping, man. Go ahead and hydrate this thing real quick. Let's take a look at this fee real quick. 46 cents for the fee. Not bad. We're going to go ahead and hydrate this thing. Let's see. I remember when I only had 30 drip. I remember when I only had 30 drip. Oh, I remember when I only had 30 drip. Now I'm looking at 632 drip. Hey, now I'm looking at 632 on drip. Let's go. Hey, look. So guys, yeah, so I made it over the 600 thread. So if you've been watching me, guys, you've been watching me make it through the first. You've watched me make it through my first 100. Watch me go through the 2. Watch me go to 3. Watch me go to 4. Watch me go to 5. Now I'm at 632, baby. On my way to 7, guys. I can't wait until I get the first 1,000 in the deposit, man. The first 1,000 in the deposit. So Excited about that. Very, very excited, guys, because the compound interest is definitely working in my favor, even during the price reduction. Because here's the thing, if you have the patience and the consistency, right, eventually that compound interest starts to outpace any devaluing of the coin, right, itself. And I kind of feel like I'm experiencing a little bit of that right now. Like, okay, I know we've had some decreasing in the value of the coin because of the minting of the coin, but I see that the compounding interest that I'm earning is definitely hedging against that. So I just got to continue to hedge against that, to where once the bag gets bigger, the compound interest gets bigger as well too. So, you know, I'm just managing my risk, guys. I'm being transparent with you guys. I'm managing my risk. I do go and get the bag. I go and buy these dips, but I manage my risk. I only invest what I can afford to lose, guys. And, you know, and that is the biggest thing for you, okay? Don't put your life savings in here. Don't put your rent money in here. Don't put your children's money in here. Put your play money in here. Instead of going to McDonald's and getting fries and a Big Mac, going to Wendy's, Burger King, all that fast food that's not healthy for you, you know, getting those sodas, those bag of chips and things like that. Take that extra money that, you know, and put it to use. See if that money can work for you. See if you can get that money to make money for you, right? That's what you want to do. Let me go ahead and slide on over here to the animal farm real quick. Let me slide on over to the animal farm. Let's see. $16.21. Let me go and compound that. And I just been compounding, guys. I've been compounding. Now, my strategy at some point will be to hydrate 6 days a week and take profits the 7th day. That will allow me to take a little bit of profit, but at the same time continue to hydrate enough to make sure that that compound interest is growing. Let's take a look. Hey, come on. Y'all let me know, is my music too loud? I don't want my music too loud for y'all today. Did it compound? I gotta compound my seeds. Plant seeds, compound, baby. What's up? Maybe I already did. Let me see, did I? Yeah, I did. Okay, so I got 232,406 plants grown. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Hey. Wait, let me make sure. Did I compound my seeds? I think I did. 0 plants. Yeah, so I did. Okay. Let's move on. Let me go here, guys. Go to my sandwich bar menu to the top left. From there, let me go to wallets. Click on the top where wallets is. Switch over to AVAX. Then I go back to my browser. For my browser, let me go ahead and slide on over here to Splassive. Let's see what Splassive is looking like. Okay, I got $311.21, so it's about $6 a day. Okay, available balance got $12.45. Let's look at the price. I know we've had a price reduction as well too on Splassive. Let's go to the whale. 8 cent. So right now we're at about 8 cents. But you can see, guys, it's kind of interesting. I find it kind of interesting because I see where we get these little spikes. You know, where I feel like people are buying these bags right here. When I see these little spikes like this, that's a bag. Somebody bought a bag right here. Somebody low-key buying a bag. I'm trying to tell you right now. They ain't going to tell y'all. They're not going to put this on YouTube. But they secretly trying to buy the bag low-key. They ain't going to tell you, but they going to take a risk. Somebody taking a risk. Because look, you see this candle right here? Somebody saying, listen, I hear y'all talking, but I'm finna try to get in the front of this lunch line low-key. But I ain't going to say nothing. But if I walk away with the bag, I'm going to be happy. So that's why, you know, at 8 cents, I'm going to give me some splash. I understand. I get it. Hey, okay. So let me go ahead and go here to the tap. The good thing about Splash, guys, is that it pays 2% a day. So you get that double up on here, 360% on your money. We're going to go ahead and compound right now, showing 9 cents right now. I'm going to go ahead and compound. Let's see where I'm at. I'm at 3,478.771 splash. I'm going to go ahead and compound. I'm going to compound this thing. I can lower my fee as well, too. Another good thing is that the fee is lower as well over here as well, too. You know, we going to see what's up. Like I told people, man, you know, your boy, I'm the drip philosopher, and I'm the splashologist. If you want to be a splashologist, you know what I'm saying? Y'all holla at your boy. I'm just gonna go through this thing. I'm gonna be transparent. I'm gonna show you the good, bad, and the ugly. If you're not investing right now, and maybe you're just crypto just makes you scared, and you're scared to invest. You're scared. You don't know if you want to put no money in drip. You don't know if you want to put no money in splash. You know, maybe you are dripping, maybe you are splashing. I'm just gonna show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. You wanna know why, guys? Because I follow the number one rule: only invest what I can afford to lose. And I have traditional businesses that take care of my well-being. And this is a way for me to take a little bit of my money and put it to work and take the risk to see if my money can make me more money, which it is. It absolutely is. Okay, even with Splash, I'm making more than I invested. Even with Splash right now. So, let's see where I'm at with it. 3,612 Splash. Okay. Y'all already know what it is. I'm at 13,000 in the max payout, guys. Wow, I'm at 13,000. Max payout is 100,000. So 100,000 splash, then you'll be at the max payout. I know the numbers is not as powerful as drip when you talk about max payout because the value is not as high. But guys, guess what? Protocol sticks around and you continue to do it and you just keep on doing it, flipping it. I'm just gonna keep on flipping it. If the protocol's still around, I'll just keep on flipping it. If I decide to invest into some other protocols that I believe in, then I'll do that as well. I do have other protocols that I am invested to that I don't even talk about on YouTube. Some things I don't even talk about, right? So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's my time, and like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. Why? You know why. Say it. Hey, yo, built for greatness. Yo, hey, yo, built for, say it. Y'all say it, cause I be saying, I want to make sure that y'all know. Do y'all know? Hey, yo, built for greatness. Yo, built for greatness. Hey, yo, built for greatness. Hey, yo, built for greatness. Hey. Say it. I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. One more. I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. Hey, I'm built for greatness. I'm gone.